Most students panic when an exam question combines words and fractions. But there is a clear way to solve it. Read carefully. This question is not hard, it just tests your thinking. The word of means multiply. So this becomes a multiplication problem. Multiply straight and simplify. The farmer sold half of the bag. Did you see how simple that was? Comment yes if you followed. This question requires careful order of operations. 1/3 of the rope was used. We multiply first. This gives the remaining length of rope. Now we divide to find how many pieces were cut. The answer is 10/3, which means 3 whole pieces and 1/3 left over. Pause the video, solve this carefully, and comment your final answer. Save this video for revision, share it with someone preparing for exams, and follow this page for more exam-focused math lessons.